my channel. I'm DeeDee, and welcome to another video. As you can tell by the title, in today's video we're going to do unboxing, unpackaging of my Coach purse. It is, let me read the description and everything, what the purse is. It is a K crossbody signature leather. It's from the strawberry collection. It is gold and strawberry / pinkish color. And let's just go ahead and get into it. So, for my address, this is the box. So let's unbox it. I'm ready to see my purse. I have on my waist trainer. I'm trying to get this body together. Hold on one moment, you guys. God damn it. Hello, how are you? Okay, you guys, I'm back. Just a little intermission. Oh shit. Okay, y'all, hold on. Okay, so we're back. Okay. And I'm drinking a mimosa. And these are the glass straws that I bought. Cute. Okay. This is the shipping information. Tell me what I got, which is a strawberry haze is what it's apparently called. It comes in this. Okay, it's giving already. And I'm just rip it open. Put everything back in the box, you guys. Okay. She's giving cute. Okay. Let me cut that off. Okay, and this is it. You see it. It has a little buckle. Make sure it opens. Coach emblem just came off. I'm gonna put that back on. But it did come with a little strap. This extra cushion. And it's a bit cute. So baby, she is giving. And it has a little Coach thing in the inside. Let you know it's real. And it comes with this in the inside of the pocket in the back. So yes, that'd be cute. I seen I think it was like a Chanel bag or it was something that looks just like this. Cause baby. So that is a little unboxing. I'm trying to do a reel to show it. I'm not real good at doing the reels, so I wanted to let y'all see this. And I had something else. I might be able to do a separate video for the other things that I'm unboxing, but this is it. So you guys just wait for the pictures for that. And that is all I wanted to show you. Let's see here if you can see it behind me. I'll make it so you can look at it while I'm eating this. Okay, so let's scoot this way. Okay, so this is the end of the video. I want to thank you for tuning in. If you did like the video, make sure that you do like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.